What's up, everybody? Brian here with Attention to Details in Chesterton. Today, when the car's getting ready to leave, it's been a pleasure working on. This is a 2023 911 Carrera S built to spec for our client. Come out absolutely stunning. What we've done with this is every inch of this car has been completely custom wrapped, every edge wrapped everywhere, tucked in headlights, marker lights out, custom door handles, the whole 9 yards. And then we also done the Xpel Fusion on the carpets and the leather on the inside. No window tinting on this, he did not want it done. Rims off, ceramic coating, rims, barrels behind us, folks, the way they should be, and the calipers. Car come out absolutely stunning. It is leaving here shortly. We did the Ultimate Plus 10-year warranty self-healing ceramic built-in fusion into the film. And it just, the gloss factor is insane. Best film on the market, made in the USA. There's not too many, if any, that can say that. Anyway, just come out stunning. We're very proud of this job, as of all of our jobs. And when the customer bought this, because this is a paint to spec car, they gave him this custom cup, and Magic Hands Jay completely wrapped this in Xpel, cut out around the thing. So this is our work, guys. So this is all wrapped in Xpel as well. We're doing this to surprise them as a little treat, but Jay knocked us out of the park. But the car come out absolutely stunning. And then we have another one that's getting ready to leave here. And we're gonna talk about this more too. I've got everything down. We've just been swamped. Thank you, everybody. Chicago, Michigan, South Bend, Elkhart, Valparaiso, Munster, everywhere around us, and even as far as an hour and a half to 2 hours south of us. We are swamped with Xpel. It's what we do. That's why you need to bring your ride here. From right to, we just got this 2023 Kia K5. We protect everything the way it should be. This is in full frontal. We'll talk about this. It just got in today. We got a badass Corvette outside for a full wrap. We've got 3 brand new 2023 Corvettes, one Z06 and 2 Z51 spec cars. One's the convertible. Anyway, those are coming in for tons of work as well. Multiple other vehicles, we'll get onto that soon and we'll let you know. But we're gonna do, we've taken a lot of photos of this car and the one we're getting ready to show you, and then we're gonna add in some stuff, not on this video, but another one to tell you exactly the spec out with this stuff and have all the dimensions and everything like that, because it's a really cool built spec car. Then over here, we have the 2023 Rivian R1S SUV. If you've seen our last videos, we've been flooded with these. This is our 3rd full wrap. We've got a couple more on the way next 2 weeks from now. But this one here, we've done a little bit different. So what we did on this vehicle is our Xpel Ultimate Plus 10. That's right, 10. It is 10 mils thick. The clarity is impeccable. Anyway, this whole vehicle is wrapped in it, and it came out absolutely beautiful. Again, self-healing, the whole 9 yards. Then we stacked it with our ceramic coating from Xpel Fusion. All trim, everything. Then we did the front window tint in Xpel XR Black at 35%. This, we did a chrome delete. It's not vinyl. Vinyl does not last. Don't waste your money. But this is the Xpel Black 10-year warranty. And so we did all the chrome trim all the way around it. So he wanted it blacked out. We did rims off, ceramic coated rims and calipers. We also, with Xpel Fusion for rims and calipers, we also did the Xpel plastic trim, 4-year coating on all plastics on the outside, as well as the glass, the leather interior, the carpet. And he also has got 5 custom rims for this as well. We've already got them boxed up, but those are gonna be his summers, and these are gonna be his winters. But anyway, we also ceramic coated those as well for him. But this came out absolutely stunning. We're very proud of this job. Jose's over here just doing some final wipe downs. The customer's on his way in. But we wanted to show this to you. But this is the Ultimate Plus 10 mil. So absolutely stunning. So if you guys need anything, give us a call at 219-628-0288. For now, love and happiness. Peace.